And this is the Vox when you totally crank the master volume, very low on gain volume of course to control the volume overall in the room, but the tone knob, that's the interesting one, is totally to the left. Basically I'm not cutting any frequencies now. Very nice. And now there is with a Nobels set with no gain on Nobels really. So without Nobels. And this is the Greenback speaker, right? Very nice tone if that tone cut is not engaged. So no cutting any frequencies, just let it all go through, and then you get some nice low volume tone from the Vox AC15 C1.